Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make homemade bounty. You need 200 grams of desiccated coconut. Add 50 grams of powdered sugar and mix well. Add 200 grams of condensed milk and mix well. Oil a 5x6 dish. Add the mixture and flatten it out. Place in the freezer for 30 minutes. Cut as shown. You can shape it by pressing on the edges. Melt 250 grams of milk chocolate. Dip the bounty into the chocolate. Place on a tray. Place in the freezer for 10 minutes. It's really easy to make. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.